If you have a troubleshooting camshaft for your 2AZ engine, which is a Toyota Camry ranging from 2002 to 11, I'll guide you through on how to replace the camshaft. I've made it easy to the simplest part that you can replace it even without having difficulties. Okay, so this is the camshaft sensor. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is to remove this engine cover and the box over here, so as to create a huge space that we would use to loosen out this thing. Okay, so though this cover has no bolt, so I'm just gonna pull off. Okay, so make sure you disconnect the terminals, and if possible you can remove the battery to avoid spark. So these are the spanner I'm gonna use. This is the wrench, 10Y wrench. Okay, I have a 10 socket wrench. Okay, this is a 10 socket, and this is a 10 ring wrench also. This is a flat screwdriver, and this is early spanner. Okay, so I brought these tools to lose out the box and other components attached before we get to the camshaft sensor. So the connector first. To remove the connector, you depress, pull off, and we have the vacuum hose over here. So I'm gonna lose, pull out, and usually there are two bolts attached to the cover. Okay, but I've removed the first, and it looks like there is no bolt over here. Okay, so we are just gonna head over to this, moving the top vacuum hose. This is the filter. So we have to remove these three bolts that you're seeing over here. So we are getting closer to the camshaft position sensor, and here is it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is to depress the pin and pull off the connector. This is where I depressed and I had to pull out. Okay, so this is the camshaft position sensor. So it's been held by a 10 millimeter bolt. This is the bolt. So we have to lose off the bolt, and I'm using this 10 mm wrench for the job. So anti-clockwise we turn. So since we've removed the bolt, then you just have to turn the camshaft sensor a little bit. You rotate, okay, and then you pull off. Jerk it a little by little to pull off. So if it seems hard to pull off, then you can now apply the screwdriver. This is the flat part of the screwdriver. So I'll just do something like this, and then I push gently. You can see that it's off right now. You can see how dirty the camshaft is. Okay, so we are going to install the new one. I'm just guiding you on the process to do that. So this is the new camshaft we are installing. So we are going to follow the same process to install back the camshaft. Then you push in, okay, and check very well if it aligned with our boat. So you can see that it has aligned. Okay, so it's now for us to guide the boat and tight. And you don't have to tighten much hard. It's just a little bit. And once done, then you connect back the connector. Make sure it's well connected. And the next we are going to do is to fix all the components that we moved back. This what I want. Time to install the air filter and the last component. So the last we are gonna do is to install back the batteries. The battery. And the job done. So that is the simple way to replace a troubleshooting camshaft position sensor. I hope this helped. If you are looking for the video on the symptoms of bad camshaft position sensor, I have the video on the channel. See you guys in the next video.